Hello everyone, welcome back to the Crazy Cat Lady. I'm just trying to straighten us out. How's everyone doing? My name is Beth Carrera. I'm the Crazy Cat Lady. I'm right back at you with another haul. And this time it is Lane Bryant. I had to go there the other day to pick up Spanx and stuff because I did get my veins done, as you know. So I end up getting some bras and underwear. So I'll show you what I got. And this is kind of like, because it's near Valentine's time, I'm going to show you my underwear that I picked up. Lingerie, why don't you? So I got this cute bralette. Now, people in their 50s could be sexy too, not just the young ones. So this is the bralette. Really, really cute. It is lacy with a cute bow. Look at how adorable this is. Really, really cute. And let me see, it's hard I'll put you down to see. Woo! Look at how cute. Maybe actually that's a good angle in a sense. So you could see. Oh, there you go. Oh, yes. Look at how cute that is. It's a bralette because I needed bras. And I got these cute, sexy underwears. Really adorable. This is the back. It's a little bit of thong. But that's okay because these are for big women too. Look at how adorable these cute little bows, lace. Ew. Look at how adorable. This is for your Valentine. So if you have a husband out there or a girlfriend or boyfriend, girl, whatever, these are so cute. And they have, like I said, just because you're a big girl don't mean you can't be sexy. And I got these cute ones. Oh, what did I get on here? I got a little fuzzy. Okay. These cute ones, same exact type of situation. It's like a thong type thing. Look at the hearts. Really, really cute. And then I got the traditional underwear. These cute. These were a Valentine special. 5 for... I think 5 for, oh, no, can you pick that up? That fell down. Thank you. 5 for 35. Look at how cute. And the sexier ones were 2 for 35, I think. Look at how cute. And these last forever. And these are traditional ones that I like. But they're still kind of sexy too. Really, really cute. And look at the heart one. Look at how cute that is. I love hearts. And then they have this heart one. You gotta go to your Lane Bryant. I went to the one in Wethersfield and they're very, very nice over there. Wethersfield in Connecticut. Look at how cute that is. It has like a lace to it. Isn't that cute and adorable? And it has like a little lace over here. Love, love, love. And this is one of the sexier ones. Oh my god. It's a bigger. Stop it with that. Look at this. How cute. And so those are all my underwears between regular and the sexier ones. So I'll show you the bras I got. And they have bras for $19.99 on the sale rack. And I have a hard time finding my size because I'm a 46 triple D right now until I lose weight. So let me put these away. Okay. And I got the traditional 2 of these, the same thing. 2 of these bras. They're just regular cup. I got these before. They last a long time. For me, not as long as a traditional woman because I'm a little tough on my stuff. I got 2 of those. because I need bras. I bought bras at Walmart and they're falling apart and everything else. So then I got these. Look at this. Look at how cute that is. Look at how adorable that is. Has like a little lace. Oh, I love that. Because I like sexy things, like lace and stuff, and it's hard to find in my size. And this is like a beige red with like a little lace on the side. Really, really adorable. I love this. Look at how cute. So these were all only $19.99. Awesome. And like I said, when you get older, you don't need to, you could still be sexy. Just because you're in your 50s, 60s, it don't matter.
Oh, you cute. Boop.
So, they're really, really nice. Love it. I really needed a lot of these bras. So now Shelby's checking out my stuff. Shelby. Hi! Oh, that's getting blurry. Shelby, move out of the way.
Shelby, move out of the way.
All right, so that concludes, I know this is a little short one,
Shelby.
but I got all these items when I had to get some Spanx, and I needed them. So at least it's a haul that I really need, which is good. So if you enjoy this video, definitely put the thumbs up. It shows YouTube that I'm doing a good job, and my videos will pop up and it could expand my YouTube channel. And if you like these hauls, let me know, and I could do more of these. And I definitely will, if I lose a lot of weight, I would have to do another haul anyway, because I gotta get the smaller sizes, right? Smaller. So I hope you enjoyed this, and this is like a Valentine theme haul. Go to Lane Bryant. If you're a plus size woman, you'll find these cute Valentine assortments. I'm telling you, it's so hard to find some cute stuff for big women, and they have a lot of cute stuff, like teddies. And if you're like 42 triple D or 42 double D or 40 like that, oh my god, they have the cutest red bras there that I really want, but they don't have my size. But with that said, have a good day and see you on the next one. And remember to treat yourself well and love yourself, and love you all. See you on the next one. Shelby.